Daksha has to start. She has to quickly tell the topic name and
Last Krishna brother didn't come today.
what is that?
Sir, Krishna brother didn't come today.
Yeah, he is trying to log on. She is having some problem with his computer. Now, we will start now. Daksha,
Yes, sir.
tell your topic and start now.
My top is homework. I like to do the homework. I don't like to be bored in my room. So I am going on a class named Summer 2024 online class every day homework. Every day they will give homework. I like that class. Regularly, I'm attending that class regularly. I will do it if I have more homework. I will keep some homework and I will do the class homework. And my class teacher name is Sambayaka. And my classmates are my classmate names are Mayappan, Chika, Hanshika, Krishna, and Sanjeevan, etc.
Oh, go.
My hobby is the homework, and I like to do homework. Math homework and it's important for me. If I become a fashion designer, I need math.
Okay, stop. No, why did you miss it? You can't miss it like that. This is very serious. That's why I gave you 5-6 minutes to prepare.
Sir, I thought it will be enough for me.
Don't worry. No, you should. No, you should really talk. The preparation is.
Sir,
No, don't worry, Laksha. Don't worry. Now you listen to everyone. Listen to everyone. Now it's Ansika. You are going to start now. Starting with.
Dakshan. Sir,
No,
I
I'll come
included
back, Dakshan.
everyone.
I'll come back, Dakshan. I'll come back
Sir,
because.
I included everyone in this.
Sure, Ansika, start now.
Okay, sir. My topic is my favorite subject. I have two favorite subjects in my academics. The first one is history, which is full of stories. There are three main reasons I like history. The first one is the elders in my family used to tell a lot of story to me when I was young and even now. The second one is I'm very interested in learning about the lives of people and rulers of the past. The third one is because of the first historical story I read at the age of 10, which is Ramayana written by Valmiki. That story also created a lot of interest on history. My second favorite subject is math because it is full of equations and it really helps us a lot in our real life. And also, it is going to help me a lot in my career because I wanted to study architecture and interior designing and start my own company of architecture and interior designer, in which
Stop. Wow. Very nicely done. Very
thank
structured.
you,
She
sir.
talked about three, one by one, she was telling. Wow. I'll give a
Shall I do
9.5 out
the
of
next,
10.
sir?
I'll give a 9.5 out of 10. Very easily. She was able to structure it completely. This is how it has to be done. This is
Thank
how it
you,
has to
sir.
be done. You have to prepare. Just a minute. Second round is always like that. You'll have time to prepare. You'll put it together. So you could see, Ansika, you could see the difference between the first and the second, right? First round and
Yes,
the
sir.
second round.
Sir, at last I will
Thank
do,
you
sir.
so much, sir.
Good
Sir, at last
job.
can
Good
I
job,
do?
Ansika. Very good job.
You
Now,
already did, Daksha.
Daksha, we'll come back to you. Don't worry, we'll come back to you. But I want everyone to listen, everyone, because you can pick up a lot of pieces. Good job, Ansika.
Sir, next to me.
Thank you, sir.
Dakshan is
Sir,
going to be next. Dakshan is going to be
Dakshan.
next. Again, Ansika, super job. Dakshan is going to be next.
Shall I be?
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, after Dakshan, shall I be? Mayappan, sir.
Yeah, we can do it. Don't worry. I am going to start with this. Dakshan, start now with your topic. Start now.
My topic is family. We have four people in our family. There is my sister, father, and mother. I like my father because he will teach what to do or not to do. I like mother in my bed because she will hug me my in my bed because he will hug me and sleep. I won't like my sister. She always shouting with me, and my mother help me with the homework. We will always sto- we will always be together. My dream is to be astronaut.
Stop.
They help.
Stop. And you got the script, but you shouldn't be looking at the script and talk. Say, but one way it is okay. Prepare.
I will read what read next. It will be joke. Help me with the school subject. My mother helped me to get ready to school. My father is so kind to me. My sister always want to see TV with me. He likes my cheek. We likes outdoor cooking. I like
Superb. Dakshan, I appreciate it.
Dad.
Very nice. For
Dad,
your
how was
preparation, I'm
just
going to
a
give you the
doubt?
score. For your script, I'm going to give you the score. 8.5 out of 10. For
Dad, I have
the, you have done a
just a
wonderful
doubt.
script. You have done a wonderful script.
Yes,
May
sir,
pen.
I
It's going to
told
go
you.
next. Number we have to finish it off. May pen.
Sir, I have just a one single doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, in the first one he told I like my sister and all, sir. He's here, sir. Now he's telling I don't like my sister because she's shouting at me.
But
He's
the
telling
first
that.
one is correct. Whatever you say instantly is correct. The first one is correct. Yes. May
It is also
don't worry, Lakshya. Don't worry, Lakshya. You are doing great. You are the star of this course. You are the star, real star. Very nice. Mayapan.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Mayapan.
sir.
Go with it. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Start with your topic right now.
My topic is holidays. My favorite holiday is 2 months leave after school. I like 2 months holiday because I can play, practice writing, reading, singing, dancing, swimming, and play sports like cricket, badminton, football, um, kabaddi, tennis, and more and more. I go to gym. I I go to gym. I do everyday math problems. I I read subjects my mother is telling always to read and write. I'll finish my homework, play some time, and come back home, eat and sleep. Then next day I have to wake up at 7 o'clock for being ready
Stop
to my.
now. Stop now. Very good. Very good. Very good. You did not show your face. So, but other than that, you got a very good script. You were able to read it out. I'm going to give you, because you didn't show your face, your script was good and everything. I'm still going to give you 8.5 out of 10. Had you shown your face, I would have given you 9. But you didn't show your face, so I'm reducing it 8.5. But very good script, very much improved. Always remember, when you talk, you have to show your face. Chintalika is going to go
Okay,
next.
sir.
Mayapan, good job. Mayapan, good job. Chintalika
Yes,
is
sir.
going
Thank
to
you,
go next.
sir.
Chintalika, now I'm setting up the timer. I'll say start, then you'll start. Now you have to start with your topic. Start now.
My topic is my memorable birthday. My birthday is on 8th February 2011. My most memorable birthday is on 8th February 2022. I like it most. We enjoyed that day. We went to Kodaikanal. There was many different kind of flowers. I like it too. It was too beautiful. Then I bought some chocolates. At 6 o'clock, we celebrated my birthday. So after I cut the cake, my father and my mother gave 500 rupees each, and my brother gave 200 rupees. My father gave a chocolate and a new dress for me, and my mother gave set of jewels, and my brother gave a hero pen for me. On night we went to a big restaurant and I ate my most favorite dish, chicken biryani. And on next day I went to school.
Wow, very nice. She showed her face. She was fluent enough. She wants to really talk about this. Much improved. We bought something simple grammar only. 9 out of 10. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. This is what
Sir,
is.
at last I will do, sir.
Yeah, Ilakia is there, and we'll come back. Ilakia, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. You have to start with your topic. When I say start, you have to start. Start now with your topic. Start.
My topic is my brother Inian. I love my brother a lot because he's so strong and healthy. He's a great student in class and he's the class topper. He studies well. If I get good marks, my mother and father only appreciate, but my brother gives gifts and he and gifts and some chocolates for me, and he gives me a big surprise. I love my brother, and also he never touched the phone, and also he always plays with me everything. If I ask something, he always tell no, but if I ask him very kind, he always tells, okay, I buy everything for you. But if I ask like I hate you, but he never
Super. Wow. Wow. She was very good. She was very good. She was very bold enough. Sometimes she got stuck. She referred the notes, but that is the way it has to be. Very nice. Compared to the first one, second time, you did well. Very well. Very well. I'm going to go with you 9 out of 10. Good job there. Good job there. Superb job. And she's still recovering from her fever, illness, right? But she has done a wonderful job. She took it very seriously. She was able to do it. So very nice. Good job, Ilakia. Very good job,
Thank you,
Ilakia.
sir.
Now, Daksha, I'm going to give her a star of this course. She did so much of homework and everything. I'm going to give her one more chance. I am going to give her one more chance. 1 minute, and she's going to do it.
Sir, I have to do every homework, sir.
No, she can do it with her home, but Daksha did wonderfully. But enthusiasm, Daksha was so much super. Daksha is second best here with Homer, but Daksha, my God, out of the world. So she's going to read it as she's going to not read, she's going to speak right now 1 minute about her Homer. She is the queen of Homer. She's going to start now with your topic. Start now, Daksha.
My topic is homework. I like homework. I don't like to be bored in my home. I'm studying a class named Smriti Summer English class, and I go there every day. I like my teacher. His name is Samaya. I have everyday homework, and if I have more homework in my school, I skip it and I'll do that class homework. And my classmates are Chintarika sister, Sanjeevan, Krishna, Mayappan, and Anshika sister, and etc. Etc. I will do my homework until 9 o'clock. My brother will help me do homework, and I like homework. Thank you.
Keep going.
I like homework, and homework is very important for our life.
Yes, stop. Wow, did you miss on that one? You shouldn't be stopping. And a much improved performance. I'll give you a score for you. It's a homework and you did a lot of work. So you did a lot of work. So I will consider, I'll go with 9 for you, Daksha. 9. Good job. So give her a hand because amazing stuff. I remember she was doing pages after pages, writing pages after pages, and she got a printout and sent it across to me. Good job, Daksha and Daksha. Great job.
Thank you, sir.
Superb, everyone. One last time, switch on your video. Ilakia, Mayappan, and Sika, switch on your video one last time. We have last minute, 1 minute to go, and I hope you learned something very basic about English. That I hope I have created some interest in this language. Okay.
Yes, you are very kind to us, sir.
All right, and I'm so happy. Ansika, Mayappan, Ilakia, Chintalika, Daksha, and Darshan. All of you, I'm really happy and all of you showed a lot of sincerity. Some of you could not do homework, I understand, but a lot of you did well. And I hope.
Thank you, Silent. Lot of you, thank you, sir. I learned lot of things
Super.
with you.
Yes,
Thanks so much,
Ilakya.
sir, for teaching.
Ilakya did a lot of good homework with audio, video. Very nicely she did, Ilakya. Good job. Ansika, you were able to say something.
Thank you, sir.
Ansika, you were able to say something. No, audio. Audio is.
Thank you so much, sir, for your teaching.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you for
thank
the
you,
teaching,
Ansika.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, and I'll see you later.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Then go
Bye,
to
sir.
class,
Thanks for
sir.
teaching, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, Mayappan.
Bye,
Thank you,
Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you.
sir. See you
Thank you very much. Thank you.